guys, and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel, and today we're going to be looking at these Yostyle YS1 Bluetooth earphones. These earphones are described as having high fidelity sound quality with 8 hours maximum playback. Well, we'll see about that soon enough. First of all, outside the box. To the front, you've got the initial image of the YS1s themselves. There are a few features at the bottom left hand corner, like it has hands-free, stereo music, and it boasts a multi-port Bluetooth connection, which allows connection to 2 different devices at the same time. So when a call comes in, the YS1s know which device is ringing and will connect to the right one automatically. The Yostyle YS1s are compatible with iOS, Android, PC, iPhone, and iPad, etc. To the back, there are a few specifications, like a 10-meter operating distance, talk time from 5 to 6 hours, a full charge time of 2 hours, and a transmission range of 2.48 GHz, with 120 hours standby time. Inside the box, Yostyle! Nice though, nice pattern, it's a bit like carbon fibre. Oh, by the way guys, don't mind my finger, it's not nail varnish, no, I actually trapped my hand in a car door. Yeah, I know right, and I still can't even feel the tip. Let's place the case to the side just for now, and we have a quick start user guide. No need for that, and the box, let's get rid of that as well. We have a micro USB charge cable. Inside the case, the YS1 earphones themselves, which we'll get into shortly. We have 6 rubber ear covers in small, medium and large, 2 pairs of earbuds, 1 small and 1 medium. There's also a cable clip and cable buckle to help fix the wire onto your clothing. Let's just get rid of these for a second. You know what, there's always one. And let's have a look at the YS1s. These Yostyle YS1 earphones look pretty decent in that full matte black colour. They do come with 2 earphone covers already affixed and 2 large earbuds. So in total that's 4 pairs of rubber ear covers and 3 pairs of earbuds, small, medium and large. The ear covers are easily swappable, just simply pull the earbud off, also taking off the existing ear cover, find your preferable size ear cover and reverse the procedure for fitting. So these ear covers will sit within the ears, keeping the earphones in place. Let's reinsert the large earbuds and move forward checking out the functions. So these YS1s have nano coating, IPS6 waterproof, good for heavy splashing, rain, however not advised for water seepage. The earphones have a flat 60cm cable, a lithium 60mAh battery, which takes under 2 hours to fully charge, and that can be done via the micro USB insert to the side. The control unit has 3 buttons, volume up, down, previous and next track selections, which also has a number of useful operations. I'll go ahead and list them on your screen just now. So as you can see, there is call answering functions, Siri options, music and pairing, which we're just gonna do now. And guess what guys, these earphones are indeed magnetic. Oh nice! Connection is swift via the Bluetooth on your device. Go ahead and locate YS1 and within seconds connection is complete. On the iPhone you do get a battery indicator to tell you what charge time is left for your earphones, but on other devices such as Android you'll get a battery notification once the YS1s drop below 15% battery life, which you will continue to get alerted every 30 seconds. Wow. Let's go ahead and play some tunes. Oh, okay, they seem kinda loud before even inserting them. Well, let's go ahead and put them in. And right away with those useful ear covers, the YS1s sat within my ears perfect. No chance of dropping them out anytime soon, and that's thanks to that low weight being at only 15 grams. Audio. So first of all, I was shocked at how loud these earphones were. They certainly got me in a dancing mood, but shortly after it was apparent that even though the bass was amazing, the bass was somewhat overpowering, taking over those high tones. So the high tones, they were a bit low, the mid tones were a bit higher than I usually like, but the low tones were okay. It's just that, for example, when you listen to chat radio etc, the bass is even apparent within the broadcaster's voice. It doesn't get any better even if you lower the volume a little, which is a shame because first impressions were good. You are however isolated from surrounding noise, because when these earphones are in, they're well embedded within my ears.
Perfect.
Okay, after 3 days and using these earphones on different occasions, the battery lasted just under 7 hours out of the listed 8-hour use. But that's with 100% volume being used. They didn't fall out once within that time, but because of that good isolation and extreme volume, I did have a ringing in my ears. Finding it irritating and subsequently taking them out after 2 hours. Stereo sound is however really good. The YS1's directional sound is spot on, and I just got over 9 meters before the Bluetooth signal started to cut off. Overall, I do think that these Yostyle YS1s do sit right within the middle price range. They are certainly not in the over expensive category, nor are they in the cheap range category. Nevertheless, I do think that the outside packaging doesn't do it justice. It's a bit cheap looking, and sometimes less is more. For example, if it would have just come in a matte black box with a simple chrome colour Yostyle logo, it could have just given this earphone set an overall premium look. And that's why today, out of my usual rating out of 10, I've got to give these Yostyle YS1s a rating of 7 out of 10. I'll go ahead and leave a link for these Yostyle YS1s in the video description right down below. Go and check them out, and while you're there guys, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my new video coming real soon, and well, thanks for watching. Peace!